The challenge now, my fellow graduates, is how to be architects of our own soul.
What if in the process of building your future, you suddenly lose your sense of self?
May nangyari sa inyo. Nagkasunog sa bahay niyo. It's not good. You have to go.
Kalimutan mo muna yung trabaho hanggang mahanap mo yung sarili mo.
And in the path to discover what's lost, you will find someone else.
Naniniwala ka ba sa love at first sight?
Romance is easy. True love is not.
Is a one-night love affair worth taking a risk?
Can you be stupid for the next 6 hours?
Pagdesisyon tayo, tapos panindigan natin.
Ano pa ba ang kailangang mawala sa'yo para maging karapat-dapat sa pagmamahal?
Sana lang kasi nakilala kita nung buo pa ako. Yung Leon na to, walang karapatang piliin ka.
A Beautiful Affair, weeknights, 11:15 p.m. Sa Kapamilya Online Live.